Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about selecting the right filter elements for construction machinery. In daily operations, filter elements are essential. Excavators, bulldozers, cranes, and road rollers often operate in tough conditions for long hours, making them prone to contamination from air, oil, and fuel impurities, which can affect performance and lifespan. Choosing the right filter ensures efficient, stable operation. So, how do you choose the right filter for your machinery? Here are the key factors to consider. Based on what needs to be filtered, there are four main types of filters for construction machinery. Air filters filter dust and impurities to protect the engine. Materials include paper, non-woven fabric, and metal mesh. Oil filters remove contaminants from oil, affecting engine lubrication. The oil filter element features high filtration, precision, and heat resistance. Fuel filters filter impurities from fuel, keeping the system clean and preventing injector clogging and pump failure. The fuel filter element features high efficiency and corrosion resistance. Hydraulic filters filter contaminants from hydraulic systems, ensuring clean oil and preventing damage to equipment. The material affects filtration, performance, and lifespan. Common options include stainless steel, high temperature and corrosion resistance, ideal for high pressure and high temperature environments. Polyester PT, flexible and cost-effective for medium temperature environments. Fiberglass, high filtration, precision, and long lifespan, often used in air, oil, and hydraulic systems. PTFE, excellent chemical and high temperature resistance, ideal for corrosive environments. The filter's precision is crucial. Low precision leads to part wear, while high precision may increase flow resistance and reduce efficiency. Air filters depend on dust levels, while oil and hydraulic filters typically range from 0.5 micrometers to 10 micrometers. Consider the operating conditions. High temperatures, stainless steel or sintered metal filters for efficiency and durability. Humid environments, filters with good water resistance to prevent moisture-related issues. Corrosive environments, PTFE or stainless steel filters to resist corrosion and extend lifespan. Regularly checking and replacing filters is key to maintaining performance. The cycle depends on usage and filter condition. Air filters, longer replacement cycle but need regular cleaning, especially in dusty environment. Oil filters replace based on operating time and oil condition. Hydraulic filters replace when contamination levels exceed limits to keep the hydraulic system stable. Choosing the right filter may seem simple, but it requires considering factors like filter type, material, precision, and environment. The right filter ensures efficient operation, extends lifespan, and reduces maintenance costs. Choose synthetic filters for efficient, durable solutions that help reduce costs and improve efficiency. For more specific information, please visit Synfit's official website. See you next time.